at a certain time. Maybe the mother wanted to work hard and accomplish something great at a certain time, but they just accepted God's will and God's timing in their life. You know what I'm saying? And they basically named the child that to basically to commemorate that lesson and to imbue their child with the spirit of accepting God's will in not only their lives, but the child's life and everyone's life. You know what I'm saying? Gaosusalchukwu's names give them the power to be adaptable. You know what I'm saying? They just go with the flow. They come up with really creative solutions to problems, and they're very friendly. Tag and share this video with all the Gaosusalchukwus that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indojinil on the wakwezo?
Yeah.
So what do you think? Would you like your very own Igbo name?